Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In my earlier video of Render, I was showing you this broadening wedge pattern that was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart, and after testing the support, the price line has geared up. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared with my members almost 2 days ago. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this most recent trade signal of render that I shared with my members almost 2 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that render has formed with the US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has started a very nice reversal. First, it dropped more down inside this buying zone of this Gardley move. Then we have a very nice reversal. And after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again moved down inside this potential reversal zone. And before this move, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardley setup. And by the way, I shared this idea in the month of January, on 14th of January 2023 with my members, and that was an expected Garley move that was getting formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down inside this buying zone. And after the completion of this pattern, the price line started a very, very massive price reversal. That was, by the way, more than 270% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see within next few days, it rallied more than 270%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then I've also shared the link to join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. There I'm sharing different such trading signals for you on the daily basis. Now let's move to the live chart. And first of all, let me just show you this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we can see that for the past several days, like we have, by the way, found the resistance here on 10th of May, but we found the support here on 18th of May 2023. And you can see whenever the price line is getting bounced from the support, it is forming higher highs and higher lows. If we just ignore this extra spike, then it is perfectly forming this rising wedge pattern. And recently, after testing this support, the price line has geared up. At the same time, we have found another downtrend line resistance, by the way, and another support as well. And while moving inside this broadening wedge and drop down at this support, it has also formed a down channel as well. And if the price line will be able to break out the resistance of this down channel, then the target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $2.91. But in my point of view, after this breakout, there is a very high probability that, like it is doing every time after getting bounced from this support, it is forming higher highs. Same as like that, it can form another higher than the previous high. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have the formation of a very, very big rising wedge pattern. After the breakout from this down channel, you can see it formed this rising wedge pattern. And now the movement is quite squeezed. Recently, we got rejected by this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. Now, for example, if the price then drops more down, then it can test the support of this wedge somewhere here, approximately at $2.30. However, it is quite squeezed, therefore we can expect that soon it can break this pattern. Now, for example, if a render token will break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, in that situation, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $15. And in case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 40 cents. But we have already broken out a very big down channel, and the target for this down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is between $8 to $10, and that move is still due. Therefore, in my point of view, there is a very high probability that the price end may break out this resistance of the falling wedge, rising wedge pattern and hit the target for this down channel, and then it can hit the target for this rising wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.